up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them with me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
So my G's right now, my day, I don't know, it's a new day, it's a new vlog, and I just upload a vlog like a while. Well, I try upload a vlog, I set it for upload, so a vlog supposed to go up within a couple minutes. Cause a long time I set it for upload, I don't know how far it reach. I about to go check it downstairs. So yeah, but right now I'm upstairs, I do a idiot white girl video. You don't know. Everybody will know the idiot white girl video. Go to my Instagram right now. You can hashtag idiot white girl. Me idiot white girl, and I go find it. We go up on my page. It I go up on the page. And by the time I watch a video, yeah, by the time I watch a vlog, yeah, the video actually, yeah, what I say is by the time I watch the vlog, yeah, the idiot white girl video I go basically do up on my page already for you to watch. So yeah, you can head over to the page and watch that. Right now, my Instagram page is FamousSosick. So go to FamousSosick Instagram page right now and watch that, because me upload the vlog here tomorrow and me upload the Instagram video today. So yeah man, I remember Chabas do 3 videos yesterday. Chabas upload 3 videos from the space of yesterday to today. Him upload 2 yesterday. If you didn't check that already, check that out, and him upload 1 today. Or by the time I watch a vlog again, probably upload 6 more. So yeah, we're there and we are working on the chicken, we are jerk. Yesterday we jerk chicken though. But yeah, as me say, idiot white girl video right now. FamousSosick, follow me on Instagram. Check it out. And a mad thing. Up it in, up it in. Guys, I apologize. Spoiler alert. Look on my waves them. I mean, yeah. Watch out. Watch out. And I'm a lap. Things we do for video. Things we do for no laugh, yo. Alright, now me have to go watch this, you know. Me have to go watch this right now, me have to go watch this, you know. Pepper, shh. Pepper, I know this man. Oh, I'm a boot me I go put on right now, dog. My just sweet think the all right party I go miss me. Yo, you're mad man, dog. Yo, me I eat some food though. Me I eat some food. Don't you just, yeah, you can't afford right now. Me ready already, my you. Me tell you say the all white you now miss me. Alright, mad. Yeah, me I eat some food. Hold on. So this funny to you? I definitely did. It's a big black snake there out here, so yo, that probably a venomous, John. Go there. How him look so yo? Yo, come here. Yo, nobody now tell me say the snake is no venomous. Look how him black and crusty and look. Yo, me now go up no closer to him and zoom in. Me zoom in still, me not there near. In the backyard. Yeah, if a boy Chabas see out there, boy Chabas catch him, you know. That's crazy. Outfit for that video. That's 6. Yeah, right now Chavas just shoot the next video again. Somebody telling you say by the time when you see the next one, 6 more go out already. You just put up 3 yesterday, 1 more today again. By the time when you see this, 1 more must go up again. You can't even see through them again. But what they are telling you, watch back the footage them. Oh, you get the sign? Yeah. Couples. When your couples therapy session.
Pastor Garrison. Pastor Garrison. My relationship needs some help. It needs some serious help.
What do you think? Couples therapy?
Couples therapy? No, you can just put therapy. Not really matter. You can put therapy and just leave it as that. Yeah, we're there right now. We are checking what we do now. Shabba's about to edit this and put it up, so yeah. Right now we're there. You don't know, say yo. Remember, you know, if you don't watch the video, then I'm telling them about go watch them right now on Instagram. When I put my comedy video, the white girl video I shoot, I actually add that to the video, so I'm not going to see that. But still go to my Instagram and you can comment, see me, like, and all them good stuff there. Just feel like some mission send on go all the way on Instagram, just watch that. I mean, I deal with it right there, so I just edit it right there, so do everything and just want to get it right there. So when you can go up on my Instagram to see the one them where I do it here, when I never post to the vlog. Yeah, Chabas do some video too. When you can go check them out, yo, them video them body, yo, I know me still alive. So yeah, remember if you check out them video, they check out my Instagram, Chabas Instagram. Yeah, that I go on from Woody, we just try get back on the Instagram video and thing, you know what I mean? Cause we put it down for a while. Cause we do a couple other things, we build back the vlog, so we actually have a couple short films in the work. I don't want to elaborate too much about that, but we have a couple short films in the work. We have we've done a script already for your upcoming, what do you call it, web series. We done a script already for a web series, but when I start shoot that this week, we have a next surprise for you. I'm not telling you nothing about that. I just said that. Nothing more than I know about that. Me I try to keep that as a surprise. Because more while me always end up telling you what I go on and him something there. So me not say nothing more about that. We have a surprise for you. But for right now still, you don't know me there. Chabas just text me like when I see pop up because I record up on my phone. It just pop up on my phone. But right now me there. I don't consume no breakfast from morning. Yo, what am I going for breakfast? Forward them, let's see what they have for breakfast, my G's. Me feel for you know me feel for what I long for consume? Porridge. A long time I don't consume some oats porridge. You know? Jesus Christ, you see when trouble go take you, see man, chop. Damn, yo, me not even bother want no oats porridge. Look how me have to clean up the whole place now. You know me not bother want no oats porridge, me G. Cause now me have to sweep up the whole place. The whole place me mash up the oats. Now me have to come in at this a dungeon here. Me hate in here so you see man, watch out. I be a little reptile in this dungeon place. Yeah. Him in a film corner right there, so. He dark. I don't even know if you not see him. This one here over film corner. Now I have to go sweep up. Just because me feel for oats porridge. Me soon fall back. Me I sweep this up and link on the back. Chop. Right, so I'm done. Sweep up and sweep up. Yo, the oats. I say I feel for oats porridge and I come in here and take up the oats and the oats dash. So that's a sign. I'm not supposed to eat no oats porridge. So I change my mind. If Camille ever dinner the cover there, oh my god. Right, I say sugar there. I'll be something. See porridge there? And that fi make real porridge. Camille, when me a go with full oats? What me I go with what? A caramel for me. Be a nice me making a place people, but yeah, me alone there, so me can make nice. Alright. So when I bother do no what, we're gonna deal with the car. Before me even go no further, let me check if we have everything else what we need for make caramel porridge. We don't find sugar already. Salt there, you know you can tip like salt in it, but not much. Salt is not good for you kids. We have vanilla. Yes, vanilla is very much needed. We have cinnamon. Definitely needed some cinnamon. Where is this? You may have to go clean out the cupboard there one day because most of them something then done. Not just a buckle. Alright, nothing more in here, so nothing more now going in the porridge. None better look for nutmeg. You don't know say nutmeg bad in a porridge, you know. I don't find the nutmeg, so the porridge I gotta do without nutmeg. So we only have vanilla, salt, sugar, caramel, cinnamon. But in the fridge so now we have a tin milk, so we're good. Yeah man, we're on schedule man, we're good man. Alright, we're good. A porridge I make, a porridge, yeah man, we're good man. Caramel porridge, we're good. What's bye? Caramel porridge I make. So what we need now? Alright, the pot they can cook it. No, I not cook a big pot of caramel porridge, so we need a smaller pot. We need a smaller pot, people. Smaller pot. Right now, work we are work. Yeah, why small pot there? I think a small pot there in the fridge, you know. I wash out the pot there. And when the caramel porridge time ready, I check back in with it though. Oh, that sound like a plan? Alright, we'll do that. You don't know, say caramel in the pot already. Caramel a store, you know you have to keep store because you don't want the lump. If you turn your back, you don't want the lump. So all I do is just add some caramel to the boiling water. You know what I mean? The fire is on low right now so you can cook. Alright, so right now we're on schedule. I'm going to add in me vanilla, you know what I mean? And do not add enough. You just need a little tablespoon and stir your pot. Only if you could smell the aroma. Oh my god, the vanilla just get a little. Just a tablespoon of vanilla, guys. And your cinnamon, it's the same thing, just a tablespoon of cinnamon. Alright, you don't need no more cinnamon than that. Oh my god. Want to know how cinnamon tastes good? The aroma. Come on. Hold it together, famous, hold it together. We are going to just leave it, make it cook now. So we add in with vanilla, we add in with cinnamon. Remember, we're not on the nutmeg. We're going to just add a little pinch of salt to it. Do not cook with bay salt because if the food's salt, you can't really unsalt the food. Depends on what type of food. You can't really unsalt it. But if the food fresh, you can always add salt to it. Some cook fresh more while. You know what I mean? Come on, let me go now, wave check. Let me go here before I take off this. I am training my waves. I'm trying to get waves, guys. I'm not really wavy. I'm not full of wave, none of them something there. So bear that in mind. Keep that in mind, say. Oh, they do it. Oh, in a lock. Keep that in mind, say. I'm actually trying to get waves. I'm trying to get, you know, so wave check right now, because from yesterday I weighed something here. So I see what I'm going up underneath here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah man, I see them a forward in, man. I see them a forward in, man. I see them a forward in, man. I see them a by next time, yeah, I'm super wavy. More wave than what I actually have right now. You know what I mean? I'm going to be super wavy. Yeah, so right now I don't want my caramel porridge up out here best with waves. So yeah, until next time, I'm just going to wave myself inside and put on back my do-rag. So enjoy it one last time. Wave check. Mad move. Up it in, up it in. Some G's right now. I don't know, so the porridge done. Only thing missing me I tell you now, nutmeg. A nutmeg alone missing on the porridge that's so perfect. Oh my god. Bone me say me nah no nutmeg, you see man. If you cool it, the first one they bone me like right now. Wish me there for at least piece of hard bread. Me Jesus. Oh my goodness. Give thanks unto the Most High. That a 6. The porridge was a hit, people. It was a success. Me now hold up no more. Me I got actually edit this right now, so you can have a vlog for watch today. Yeah, me now waste any time no more. Me just go go on this right here with the porridge, but hold on, people, hold on. Yo, the porridge bad man, yo. So as I said, me now wait no more. Me just go upload this and go on this for watching idea. You know what I mean? Yeah. Respect again, blessings, and respect again for the support, you know what I mean? Remember to always like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and me I go share my porridge, caramel porridge. Comment below. Remember me and always talking, and we're talking in every vlog, and we use the comment section for talk. So comment below, what is your favorite porridge, and which porridge you wish you could have made. Right now, I love American, but I never make it before. I'm going to try one of them there. So comment before, which porridge are your all-time favorite porridge. That's not my all-time favorite porridge. My favorite porridge is plantain porridge. So one day I'm going to make that with you too. So comment below on your favorite porridge and we're going to talk. So big up on yourself, big up me G's them. Until next time, up it in, up it in.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.